Well, guys, this is pretty damn cool right here because we are in the all-new factory optioned out Honda Talon 1000R version with a turbo. And, man, you can already hear the wastegate going. Oh, man. I mean, if you thought the 1000R stock version was awesome, I can already feel, we're not even going that fast. You can already feel how the bottom end just surges. I'm almost in a gear too high. Man, she just flies. Woo-hoo! Effortless, man. Downshifts, all the transmission stuff is still just as smooth as it was before, even with the extra power. Oh man, this thing's rad. Downshift is easy when you're coming in hot. And we're going to go through some mud right here. And I love how even with the turbo, man, this thing is just super smooth. It doesn't have, throttle doesn't hit hard. You can still manage it. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh, and you can hold your gears a little bit longer with the turbo in there too. We're at Texplex Park here, and this track is really long. It's got some outside sweepers, some inside stuff, mud. Oh, I love how, man, that I4-wheel drive kicks in. Manages the power really well. I mean, for $5,800, $5,799 to be exact, this just wakens this motor up. 60% more horsepower, so it's right at about 166, 68, somewhere in there. And man, what a freaking difference. You can even, the torque just surges, man. Like I said, I love that. You can be in a gear almost too high. Where this is really going to be a game changer is in the desert and in the dunes. You can come out of corners just like that in second gear, and man, you feel like you're just absolutely just roaring after that. Pulls all the way. We're in sixth gear right now, a little bit of a downshift. We're going to jump here. Yeah. I just love how the power is so, man. Like I said, that gear too high is just awesome. That torque down low, man. And you got plenty of power to slide the back end around. Like where the stock Talon doesn't have that power down low to slide around, man, this thing just has so much surge of power. And the beauty of it is you still have the R suspension, which is just incredible in this. It soaks up all the bumps. And I would say, I mean, obviously, now that you have all the suspension travel that the R has, with the excellent way that the suspension on the Fox shocks work, you can really drive it into corners even harder. And I'll be honest, I think when Honda first developed this, they probably had this setup in mind when developing these tires, because these tires on the stock car don't always grip the best. And man, when you were driving this turbo, at least on this Texplex dirt, which is pretty muddy and hard packed, it hooks up so much better. I think it's that low end grunt, or it just has that extra ability to just absolutely power you out of the corners and stuff. I'm so excited. I can't even talk the whole time because it's so much fun. Oh, man, you're on these sweeper corners. Just sits real nice. Again, oh, man, I'm in fifth gear. And the surge from about 30 to 50 is just incredible, man. And you're not even hitting the rev limiter. That's the beauty of it. It just adds that low-end torque that you wouldn't find in the stock machine. So, my first impressions. Would I buy it? Absolutely. Do I think it's that much better and worth the $5,800? Absolutely. That is a riot. Oh man. Hope you all get to try it. It's fun.